Are you struggling with a bash script that just won't behave? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common issue with the sed command that many users face. I totally get it. It can be incredibly frustrating when your script doesn't work as expected, especially when you're trying to filter out specific file types. You're in the right place to find a solution. Here's the situation. One user asked, "Why does my sed command delete all lines instead of just the ones I want?" They were trying to remove lines that don't contain .jpg or JPEG, but their command wasn't working. Sound familiar? Let's figure this out together. So what's going wrong here? The issue lies in how the sed command interprets the regex pattern. The user is using a question mark, which means 0 or 1 of the preceding character. This can lead to unexpected results. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip to help you master sed commands like a pro. To address the user's issue with the sed command, we need to adjust the regular expression used in the script. The user is trying to match both .jpg and .jpeg file extensions. The user's current command is using a pattern that doesn't correctly account for the optional E in JPEG. We can modify the command to ensure it matches both extensions properly. Next, the user should run this updated command in the terminal. This will filter the lines in my file, keeping only those that contain either DP or JPEG. Finally, the user can check the contents of my file to confirm that only the desired lines remain. This will ensure that the command works as intended. Fun fact: the sed command is named after the stream editor, and it has been around since the early days of Unix. It's a powerful tool, but it can be tricky to master. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests using regex in the sed command. They recommend the command sed I-e-gd my file. This will effectively filter lines containing either .jpeg, allowing for 0 or 1e. That's the end of that answer. Let's see another perspective. An alternative solution from another user suggests using new sed with alternation. They recommend the command that includes an empty alternate, which allows matching both JPEG and .jpeg. You can also use a simpler version that lists the extensions directly. Additionally, remember that the asterisk matches 0 or more characters. So using sed with an asterisk could match unexpected patterns. Here's a pro tip. Always test your sed commands on a sample file first. This way you can avoid accidentally deleting important data. And there you have it. With the right sed command, you can filter your files effectively. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on scripting.